Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display views in UIKit for native iOS application vertically as well as horizontally. So first I'll show you the output. So here I have label 1 and label 2 which are in horizontal fashion, and label 3 is vertical as compared to them. So first what I have done is that I have just created a UIKit application for iOS. Then I have initialized all the three labels which we will require. Next you will have to use NSLayout constraints. Now for making use of NSLayout constraints, you have to add this property to each and every view you want to use inside NSLayout constraints. So translate auto resizing mask into constraints to false. Same over here, same over here. Next what I am doing is that, so the label 1 leading anchor, so at the start, so the start of label 1, so this part of label 1, it is constrained to the view is the parent view which is present inside view controller. Even though you don't see code for it, given that you have extended UI view controller, view is automatically present in this scope. So views leading anchor, so over here, so this is constrained to the views leading anchor, and the top of our label 1 is constrained to the views safe area layout guide top anchor. So the top of our label view is constrained to the top of safe layout area guide, means this notch. Okay, if you just write something like this, then your content will be obstructed by this notch. That's why we write safe area layout guide. Now for label 2, label 2's leading anchor is constrained to label 1's trailing anchor. Okay, so there are four types of, like there are many types of anchors, but the most common use are leading, trailing, top, bottom, and there is also something called center X and center Y, which is used for mostly constraining at the center. So here you can see I am using a center Y because I want to constrain the center of label 2 to the center of label 1. Instead of this, you could have used something like label 2's top anchor is constrained to label 1's top anchor, and then apply one more thing called label 2's bottom anchor is constrained to label 2's bottom anchor, label 1's bottom anchor. So instead of that, I can directly do something like this because this will help me save code, as well as I want the label 2 and label 1 on the same center. Now for label 3, the leading anchor is applied to the view 3's views leading anchor. Okay, and this constant which you see are just kind of like margin and paddings which I want to apply at the start or at the leading side or at the top side. Okay, now the leading anchor of label 3 is applied to the leading anchor of our view. Then the top anchor of our label 3 is applied to the label 1's bottom anchor. So that's why label 3 is at the bottom of label 1, but it is in vertical fashion. Now label 3 trailing anchor, this one is applied to the views trailing anchor. Okay, and there should be at least minimum 2 anchors for each and every view inside UIKit. So even if I remove this, it's fine, but I think the more the anchor the better, but sometimes it does causes problem as well. So yeah, choose the right thing, whatever makes sense to you. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.